Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Laravel eCommerce SaaS per product shipping plugin. Now using this particular plugin, the Bagisto Laravel eCommerce SaaS tenants can create custom shipping methods and can charge shipping rates on product basis. For each product, the merchant can mention its shipping cost. Kindly note that to use this particular extension, you must install the Laravel eCommerce multi-company SaaS module first, and then you can make use of this plugin. That's the Laravel eCommerce SaaS per product shipping plugin. So all in all, this particular plugin allows the tenants to make the plugin as active or inactive. For each product, the tenant can set a different shipping price, supports simple configurable and grouped product types. At the checkout, the shipping price displays the total shipping charge of each product. Customers can choose the SaaS per product shipping method at the checkout time or at the checkout page. Each tenant can enter the shipping title that is visible to the customers at the checkout page. The delivery price will also be calculated for each product separately. Tenants can also set the default shipping rate under their own account panel. That would be applicable if the per product shipping price has not been set for the respective product there. In that case, the global shipping price would be applicable there. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow of the Laravel eCommerce SaaS per product shipping plugin, and I will be showing you the workflow at the customer's end, and then we'll be checking out the workflow at the tenant's end. So right now you can see that here's the main domain, that's the bagisto-saas.com, and here's the subdomain name, that's the site2.bagisto-saas.com. This is the admin backend panel of the subdomain for the tenant there, that's the site2.bagisto-saas.com/admin/login. So first we'll check the workflow at the customer's end. So a customer will come and would be adding the products into the cart. So for example, if I add a particular product into the cart, so I've added the landscape or the horizon into the cart there. So let's make a checkout. Right now the quantity is 1, and the per product shipping price has been set as $10 there. So my address is already saved there, so I'll select that up, or if I want, I can add a new address as well as per the requirement there. So I'll choose the billing address, and then you can see the under the select shipping method we have the per product shipping and the per product shipping rate. This is the description, and this is the title that has been set by the admin for the shipping method in the admin configuration settings of the plugin itself. And here you can see that we are having the shipping price as $10. Now in the same case, if I had, for example, if I view the shopping cart and I update the shopping cart from 1 unit to 2 quantity there. Now in this case, what will happen is that the shipping price would be added for the 2 quantities. Now if I proceed to the checkout by tapping on the proceed to checkout, select my billing address. Here you can see that the per product shipping price is $20 right now for the same there. Now if I go ahead and I make the quantity as 3, for example, and I update the cart and I proceed to the checkout thereafter, select my billing address, you can see that the per product shipping price has now risen to 30 because we have 3 quantities of the same product, and for the product we had set the per product shipping price as $10. Now in the case we are having different products there, for example, if one product is having $10, one is having $20, and one is having $30 as the per product shipping, then the shipping amount would be altogether calculated there as 30, 20 and 10, that is $60 will be the shipping price for shipping of the 3 different products there. In this case we had one product with 2 quantity and 3 quantities there, and the per product shipping was set to $10, so that's why it was showing $30 there. Now after this, the customer can select the particular shipping method here, that's the per product shipping method. He can select his payment method. After selecting the payment method, he can scroll down and can view the shipping method selected, that is per product shipping and the shipping amount there, and can tap here on the place order button to place the order thereafter. After the order has been placed, the customer can view the particular order details by tapping here on the top right hand corner and going to the orders section, and here he can view the particular order by tapping on the view button. So here you can see that the shipping and handling is $30. The shipping method selected by the customer was per product shipping. The title and the description of the shipping method here there itself. Now let me take you to the Bagisto Laravel eCommerce SaaS tenant end, and let me show you how the SaaS tenants can create the custom shipping method and can charge shipping rates on product basis, and for each product how the merchant can mention its shipping cost. So this was the landscape or the horizon. Let's go back to the tenant end and let's log into the tenant account panel or the backend panel for the tenant there in the Bagisto itself, and let's tap here on the sign in button. Now let me go to the catalog first. Here we have the landscape or the horizon. Let me edit it up. Now here what I need to do is I need to go to the shipping section, and here we will be finding the shipping price. Now here you can see that the shipping price had been set as $10 for this particular product. That's why when we were adding a one quantity there, the shipping price was $10. When we were adding two, it was 20. When we added three quantity of the same product, the shipping price was $30 there. So this is how for each product the merchant can mention its shipping cost by navigating to the shipping section for the respective product and going to the shipping price section and setting up the price per product there. Now let me take you to the initial configuration settings of the Laravel eCommerce SaaS per product shipping plugin. So for that what we need to do is we need to go to configure, and under configure we need to go to sales. Under sales we'll go to shipping methods. Under shipping methods we'll find the per product shipping being installed there. So here we'll be setting up the title that would be visible to the customers at the checkout time, the description that would be visible to the customers for the shipping method title there. Then we'll be setting up the shipping rate or the global shipping rate. Now this shipping rate would be applicable there on the products if you have missed to set up the shipping price per product under the shipping section for the respective products. So if you miss that out, then this particular global shipping rate would be applicable to that particular product. Otherwise, if you have set the per product shipping for the product, then that particular shipping rate would be applicable there itself. Then you can enable or disable the status of the per product shipping here by enabling or disabling this toggle button here, and then you can also calculate the tax by enabling the option here for the toggle button to enable to calculate the tax as well for the shipping method there itself. And lastly, you need to tap here on the save button to save the configuration settings. So yes, that was much about the Laravel eCommerce SaaS per product shipping, and I hope it helped you out in understanding how using this plugin the Bagisto Laravel eCommerce SaaS tenants can create custom shipping method, that's the per product shipping method, and how they can charge the shipping rate on product basis, and how they can set up each product how they can set up the or how they can mention its shipping cost for each of the respective products by going under the shipping section there. So yes, that was much about the Laravel eCommerce SaaS per product shipping plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements, then you can anytime get back to us at support@bagisto.com, or you can raise a ticket at bagisto.uvidesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.